These 6 fruits dissolve blood clots quickly. Doctors shocked. Welcome to Taste Life Givers. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating, but could potentially change the way you think about food and health. Imagine this: 6 simple, natural fruits that can play a powerful role in dissolving blood clots. Yes, you heard that right. These fruits are so impactful that doctors are amazed by what they can do. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruits to add to your diet for better blood health. But first, let's start by understanding why this is so important. Blood clots can be problematic, even life-threatening, if not addressed properly. While medical treatment is a must in serious cases, what we eat can have a surprising impact on keeping our circulatory system healthy. Curious to learn more? Let's get started. Before we get to our incredible lineup of fruits, let's take a moment to understand what blood clots are. Blood clots form as part of your body's natural defense mechanism. For injuries, they're lifesavers, sealing wounds and stopping bleeding. But when blood clots form when they're not supposed to, inside your arteries or veins, they can become dangerous. These rogue clots can block blood flow, leading to conditions like heart attacks, strokes, or deep vein thrombosis. Scary, right? That's why taking preventive steps is so vital. And here's the good news: your diet, especially fruits bursting with clot-busting and anti-inflammatory properties, can be your first line of defense. Now that we've set the stage, let's explore these 6 incredible fruits that can help your body deal with blood clots naturally. Trust me, you'll never look at your fruit bowl the same way again. First up is the strikingly beautiful pomegranate. Known for its signature jewel-like seeds, this fruit is a superstar in the fight against blood clots. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, especially a type called polyphenols. These antioxidants are essential for reducing inflammation, soothing your blood vessels, and preventing platelets from sticking together. That's like a triple defense system for your circulatory health. Studies suggest that regularly consuming pomegranates can help improve blood flow, making it harder for dangerous clots to form. So, what's the best way to enjoy this fruit? You can eat the fresh seeds as a snack, toss them onto salads, blend them into smoothies, or drink pure pomegranate juice. The taste is as refreshing as the health benefits are plentiful. Next, we have a tropical favorite that packs a powerful enzyme punch: pineapple. What makes pineapple so effective is a compound called bromelain. This natural enzyme actually breaks down fibrin, a protein linked to the formation of blood clots. Bromelain also reduces inflammation in your body, which is critical for maintaining optimal blood flow. Pineapple is a versatile fruit you can easily enjoy fresh, in a fruit salad, or blended into a smoothie. Just 1 cup of pineapple can go a long way in supporting a healthier circulatory system. Plus, who doesn't love its sweet, tangy flavor? It's tropical medicine for your heart. Moving on, let's talk about berries: blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. These colorful, bite-sized wonders are bursting with antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids. These compounds have been shown to protect blood vessels, prevent blood from clotting unnecessarily, and even reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Berries are also incredibly easy to add to your diet. Sprinkle them on your cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt. Add them to smoothies, bake them into healthy treats, or just enjoy them as a refreshing snack. They're low in calories, high in nutrients, and a sweet way to keep your blood flowing smoothly. Citrus fruits are next on our list, with oranges leading the charge. Not only are they juicy and delicious, but they're also rich in vitamin C and bioflavonoids, which play key roles in supporting your blood vessels and improving circulation. These nutrients help prevent blood platelets from clumping together, which is an essential step in reducing clot risks. Whether you enjoy an orange as a quick snack, sip fresh squeezed orange juice, or zest up your meals with a bit of lime or lemon, there are endless ways to incorporate citrus into your daily life. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the invigorating taste of these fruits? Grapes, often overlooked as a simple snack, are actually health-boosting treasures. Rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, found mostly in their skins, grapes have potent anticoagulant properties. This means they help your body naturally break down clots and prevent new ones from forming. What's more, grapes also keep your blood vessels flexible, improving overall circulation. Eat them fresh, add them to salads, freeze them for a refreshing snack, or toss them into your favorite smoothie. A handful of grapes a day is a sweet and simple way to care for your heart and blood health. Last, but certainly not least, we have tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes are technically a fruit, and they're loaded with an antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene is famous for promoting heart health by reducing inflammation and enhancing blood flow. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile. They're equally great raw in salads, as a base for sauces, or blended into soups. With every slice or spoonful, you're supporting your circulatory system and helping your body fight against harmful clots. Now that you know about these 6 impressive fruits, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. A few tweaks to your daily routine could make a huge difference. For example, start your day with a vibrant smoothie, blending berries, pomegranate juice, and a few chunks of pineapple. Add citrus segments and tomatoes to your salads, or simply keep a bowl of grapes on hand for mid-afternoon snacking. Remember, though, as beneficial as these fruits are, they're just one part of a bigger picture. A well-balanced diet, an active lifestyle, and regular health checkups are all key to maintaining overall well-being. Think of these fruits as delicious tools in your healthy living toolbox. In conclusion, nature has provided us with some incredible allies in the fight against blood clots. The 6 fruits we highlighted today, pomegranate, pineapple, berries, oranges, grapes, and tomatoes, don't just taste amazing. They also support essential blood flow and reduce clot risks. Adding them to your diet could be one of the simplest yet most effective steps you take for your health. So, which of these fruits will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Taste Life Givers, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more amazing health tips and tricks. Most importantly, share this video with your friends and loved ones, because taking care of your health is a gift we all deserve. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care of your health and taste the life nature has to offer.